Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. If the Disneyland mobile app can't detect your location or you're not receiving notifications, the issue is usually caused by your phone's permission settings, disable location services, notification settings, or temporary app problem. So fortunately, most of these issues can be fixed in just a few minutes. So first thing you can do is check location permissions, like start with your phone settings. Okay, so open your device's settings, tap privacy and security. Okay, so go directly to your settings, go to privacy and security here, and then open location services. Okay, and make sure location services are turned on for the Disneyland Disneyland app, so the app can now access your location when permitted. Okay, check notification settings, like open settings on your phone, tap notifications, select Disneyland. Okay, and directly turn on allow notifications, enable banner sounds and lock screen notifications if desired. Okay, check additional phone settings, like if the problem continues, disable focus mode or do not disturb if it's blocking notifications. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. These settings can affect how the app works. Then restart the Disneyland app. Now refresh the app, like completely close the Disney app and reopen it and sign back in if prompted. Okay, then you can update the app and your device, like if issue remains, update the Disneyland app from the App Store or Google Play Store and install any available operating system updates and restart your phone. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.